Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes and today I've got for sale this. It's a Kawasaki ZX6R. Really nice clean bike is this. Give you some facts and figures. It's a 2013 on a 13 plate. It's done 8,327 miles. It's the Performance Edition, so you get the Akrapovic end can there as well. Sounds fabulous, we'll get to that in a second. It's got some aftermarket levers on there, tinted screen and the old tail tidy just to tidy things up at the back. Does advise the gear indicator on this one as well, and an all-in steering dampener. Let's give it a quick start up. Fabulous sounding 600 sports bike. Anyway guys, if you want this black beauty, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers!
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.